What's up, guys? Tom here from Bogey's Bears Golf, and today I'll be bringing you guys a new kind of video where I talk about the PGA Tour of the past week. And I think I'm going to call this Tour Talk Tuesday because we'll be bringing it out on Tuesdays. So let's get started. This past weekend there was two big events. There was the Sony Open and the HSBC Abu Dhabi Championship. And the Abu Dhabi Championship got done first because, you know, it's a different time zone, but the Sony Open got done last night, or Sunday night actually. And Jimmy Walker ended up winning that one with a final round 63, and he had a two-stroke lead going into the final round, and then ended up shooting a 63, which is you know, pretty good closing round, I'd say. But so it's a 9-stroke win, 23 under par, and he seems like he's a pretty good player at the first part of the season, because he won like 3 events last year at the very beginning of the season, and then now this one. So it's pretty crazy that he wins so many at the very beginning of the season. And yeah, it's basically that happened there. It wasn't even close. So next we have the Abu Dhabi Championship, and Martin Kaymer held a 10-shot lead going into the final round, but he ended up shooting a 75 in the final round. And even though he had a 10-shot lead going in, Gary Stahl shot a 7-under final round 65 to end up winning that by one over Rory McIlroy. And Rory had a chip for eagle on 18 to win it for him, or to put him in a tie for a playoff, and he practically lipped it out. It was within inches. So he ended up in second, Gary Stahl was first, and Kaymer ended up in third, which is probably a terrible feeling after holding a 10-shot lead like that. But that's basically what happened in the PGA Tour, other than, forget his name, Robert Allenby getting kidnapped in Hawaii and beaten up. That was pretty crazy. Google search that if you want more information on that, because I don't really know a whole lot about that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. I'm Tom from Bogey's Bears Golf. Thanks for watching.